to the TA squad. Guys, we making slime. We making slime, y'all, and I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy, y'all. So
Next question. I gotta go get my phone. Yes.
oh, okay.
My question is,
Yeah, and guys, we gonna be doing some great slime. You can tell by slime. I'm gonna let you see. Hey, squeeze that butt. That squeeze. No, hold on, y'all. Look at my buddy. Oh, shush. That's my buddy, Noah. That's my buddy. He's my son. Yeah, y'all guys. I'm so glad. No, sir. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let y'all. Hold on, Noah, with the rail. Ah, snap. I ain't trying not to get in trouble. No, sir. Okay. Okay, fat man. Okay, fat man.
let my sweet innocent daughter live in sin in that soup can you call a trailer?
Yeah. I'm gonna let y'all see y'all guys. Guys, we got this around, all around. Y'all guys gonna see it. Hold on. No, with the real. Look at your face. Y'all guys right here. Boom, boom. Yeah. I'm gonna let you see in a minute.
Mary, Fred, all of Riverdale is buzzing about your decision to run against my wife for mayor.
I've lived here my whole life. Never went to New York. Never went to prison. There's no one more qualified than me.
You know, Hiram, we're still waiting for you to sign those papers, finalizing Fred's separation from Lodge Industries.
Huh. You mean like how we're still waiting for you to sign the NDA that we sent over?
Now,
Mom
Mom
and
and
Dad.
There's no need to be giving Montagues and Capulet just yet.
Yeah, Veronica and I were saying, can't this be a fair fight with no hitting below the belt and everyone signing whatever?
Bye, y'all.